Thank you, coach, for inviting me for the corporate training CRCL by giving me this superb coaching opportunity for superb goals, which I learned a lot. I came here specifically to upgrade my training skills. I learned various techniques with respect to this particular topic, and it was an amazing session. I learned lots and lots of games, various techniques on handling how to handle people when we are taking.
Hello everybody, my name is Dr. Sachin and I am a life coach. I use games, activities and exercises to teach young champions valuable life skills and study skills which help them become number one in studies and number one in life. Continue to watch our videos, share them, subscribe to our channel and please do comment. It'll help us, it'll inspire us to make more good content like this. Thank you so much for watching our channel. Also do visit our website. Thank you so much.